Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease versus TrafficGuard. Click fraud will waste 20% of PPC advertisers' budgets in 2021. Competitors and bots can click on your ads and waste your advertising budget. ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will exclude invalid IP and block fake clicks. This will boost your campaigns and allow you to acquire more customers. Click fraud detection. ClickCease will monitor your PPC clicks with advanced machine learning algorithms. Separate real potential customers from fraudsters and bots that want to deplete your budget. Pricing plans yearly save 20%. All plans include unlimited Google Ads accounts, 24/7 support, and cancel anytime policy. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.